brand Elit Paws. Today I will demonstrate you how my bow tie is on velcro and how you can put it on a collar or on a harness. So let's get started. My assistant today is my dog Champy. He is very tired of all that, but he doesn't mind. So here's how a collar looks like, and velcro can be take off or on. So once you put the collar on, or you can just put it right here, you can put it on like this, and it stays on. But if you decided and you had a better mood, a different mood today, and you would like to put it on a harness, just go ahead and you can put it right here. You can put it right here, for example, wherever you prefer. And how we put the harness on, you put the head through, just like this. You put one leg inside, and you buckle it. And we're ready to go for a walk, guys. And here's the bow tie. I don't know if you can see with all this hair going on. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful